How to reset your iPhone using your MacBook. Now, before we can reset the iPhone, we first need to turn off the Find My app. So we're going to open up the settings on your iPhone like this. Click on your profile name at the top of this screen. You can then click on Find My and click on Find My iPhone. Now make sure Find My iPhone is turned off and disabled. And once this is turned off, you're now ready to reset your iPhone. So go and grab a USB-C cable, and you'll need to plug one end into your iPhone and the other end into your MacBook. Now once your iPhone's connected to your Mac, you can go and click on Finder at the bottom left-hand side of your Mac. Now from the left-hand side, you should be able to see your iPhone. Go and click on this. And if you get a Trust This message, just press Trust. You may also get a Trust This computer message on your iPhone. Just make sure to press Allow. Now once your iPhone is connected, you can press the Restore iPhone button, and then you can essentially go through the steps to reset your iPhone back to its factory settings.